Hello and welcome to Error Genie. In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the launch issues with Planet Coaster 2 on your Windows PC. Follow these easy step-by-step instructions and we'll have your game running smoothly in no time. Step 1. Restart your computer first. Simply restart your computer. This often resolves temporary issues. Once restarted, try launching the game again. Step 2. Add Planet Coaster 2 to your antivirus allow list. If you have third-party antivirus software like Avast, Norton, Bitdefender, or McAfee, allow the game's .exe file in your antivirus settings. Here's how to do it with Windows Security. Open Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Windows Security, then Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down. Select Manage Ransomware Protection. Click Allow an app through controlled folder access. Then browse to find and add the Planet Coaster 2.exe file. Step 3. Allow the game. Through the Windows firewall. Type Control Panel in the search box. Open it, then go to System and Security, then Windows Defender Firewall. Click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Select Change Settings, then allow another app, then browse, and add the game's .exe file. Step 4. Run the game as administrator. Go to the game's installation folder, usually in C:\program files, :steam:\steam apps, :common: Planet Coaster 2. Right-click on the game's .exe file, then Properties, then Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator, then Apply, then OK. Step 5. Set compatibility mode. In the same compatibility tab, try running the game in compatibility mode for Windows 8 or Windows 7 and apply these settings. Test each mode to see if it resolves the launch issue. Step 6. Set launch options to DX11 or DX12. Open Steam, right-click Planet Coaster 2, select Properties. In Launch Options, type -DX11 and try launching the game. If that doesn't work, try -DX12 instead. Step 7. Delete the config file Open File Explorer. Go to C:\users open bracket, your username close bracket, appdata \local \frontier developments \planet coaster 2 \config. Delete the config folder, which resets settings. Then launch the game. Step 8. Verify game files. In Steam, right-click Planet Coaster 2, select Properties, then Local Files tab, then Verify integrity of game files. This will repair any corrupted or missing files. Launch the game after verification. Step 9. Update graphics drivers. Visit your graphics card manufacturer's site, e.g., NVIDIA or AMD. Download the latest drivers for your card and install them, checking the option for a clean installation. Restart your PC, then try launching the game again. Step 10. Set high-performance graphics settings. Search for graphics settings in the Windows search box. Add Planet Coaster 2 as a desktop app and select High Performance for the GPU preference. Step 11. Update Windows, go to Settings, then Windows Update, and install any available updates. Restart your PC and try launching the game. Step 12. Update Visual C++ redistributable. Download the Visual C++ files, both x86 and x64, from Microsoft's official site, link provided in the video description. Install both files, restart your PC, and try launching the game. Step 13. Check external devices and overlays. Unplug unnecessary external devices and turn off overlays, such as Steam, Discord, or NVIDIA's overlays. This can prevent conflicts that might be blocking the game. Step 14. Increase virtual memory. Search for View Advanced System Settings and open it. Under Performance, click Settings, then Advanced, then Virtual Memory, then Change. Uncheck. Automatically manage paging file. Select the drive where the game is installed. Set initial size to 1.5 times your total RAM and maximum size to 3 times your total RAM. Step 15. Update BIOS. Advanced. Updating the BIOS can help if you're experiencing compatibility issues. Check your manufacturer's website for the latest BIOS update, following their instructions closely. Step 16. Reinstall the game. If none of these steps work, uninstall Planet Coaster 2, restart your PC, and reinstall it. Installing it to a different drive can also help if the game was previously on a non-SSD. One of these steps should resolve your issue. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to Error Genie for more troubleshooting tips.